President, Vice President, Union Minister, and other leaders wish Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his birthday. Tibetan spiritual leader Dalai Lama has also greeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his birthday today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the National Logistic Policy in New Delhi today. The need for a logistic policy was felt since the logistic cost in India is high as compared to the other developed economies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today released wild cheetahs which had become extinct from India in Kunnu National Park. Cheetahs which have been brought from Namibia are being introduced in India under Project Cheetah, which is world's first intercontinental large wild carnivore translocation project. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today inaugurated the national long celebrations of Hyderabad Liberation Day at the parade grounds in Hyderabad. He hoisted the national flags and received the Guard of Honor from paramilitary forces. The e-auction of gifts presented to Prime Minister Narendra Modi will begin today. The auction will go till 2nd of October. 1,222 mementos will be auctioned during this period.